Imran at Toronto, downtown Condos.com, introducing Canary District Condos, 455 Front Street East, corner front in Bayview, a beautiful Corktown Distillery District condo, welcoming lobby, gorgeous living areas, 11-story low-rise with only 369 suites. This is European appliances everywhere, integrated fashion in the kitchen, individually controlled temperatures, lots of amenities, just to name a few: party room, meeting room, gym. They do have an outdoor pool, 24-hour concierge there, visitor parking, landscape garden. Please call me direct at 416-670-6588. Email me, Imran at Toronto, downtowncondos.com for further information. Thank you so much for listening.